Good afternoon, fellow patriots and defenders of democracy. Welcome to the madness. My name is Beverton. We're here today doing E30 things. And in the event you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Now, in the name of trying to expand the reach of our madness, we're trying to tell all the 7,000 people that visit here monthly, hey, smash that like button. And if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. And remember to hit that bell because you're coming back. Unless I just keep finding a new 7,000 people every month that come and hang out. For you guys, hey, we all crazy. Come hang out. But we're here to talk about a bunch of shiny bits that we're gonna need to start putting together. We got some 3-inch V-bands here. And we're gonna go over here and show you this stainless steel exhaust in here. And of course, all of these wonderful goodies. That's a little flex pipe because apparently you need to have a little bit of give in there. And yeah, that's what's going on. That's what we plan on doing. We plan on doing a little something, trying to have a 3-inch pipe all the way to the back. And given the fact that this car is over 30 years old, we don't really have to worry about emissions, and this is in California. Yeah, less problems. So anyway, yeah, man. Now, as we're here, see the engine. I'm certain you remember the little catastrophe in trying to do the 0 to 60 time, but we're gonna officially get that done. I think I'm gonna probably try to do it the appropriate way, so I'm not on the roads doing dumb shit. Pardon my French, but yeah, I don't know. I don't think I should be on the roads really trying to figure out what my 0 to 60 time is or what my 60 to 120 mile an hour time is. I'm not saying I won't do it right now. I just don't feel comfortable yet. And we'll see what happens. I wanted to get a baseline before we go to the dyno and then after we go to the dyno, but who knows, that might not happen. But anyway, what we really need to address right now is the fact that I'm not going to be doing the exhaust. I'm taking this over to someone and having them do it themselves because I don't feel like being bothered. And by saying that, what I really mean is there are no hangers on this car. There's no hangers on the body for where if you are running a normal exhaust system, there's hangers everywhere. You'll see exactly where you need to mount up. And I don't feel like fabricating anything or putting it to the body right now. So we're gonna load up all these parts, drop off the project car to a muffler shop, and then go pick it up. And hopefully we won't have any problem with the goddamn work getting done. I'm just hoping the sweet baby Jesus, sweet 8 pounds, 6 ounces baby Jesus, don't let me have to slap somebody at the muffler shop. But yeah, I'm gonna go get this stuff and start putting it in the car. Give me a moment. This is the work that they did in regards to getting the exhaust done, and to some degree I consider it somewhat of a cut and kind of bolt up job, but it's on here and we've essentially cut down on a lot of the noise that it will make. However, as we are here, major issues is this. I don't know what this is. What is going on here? I don't know if this is from earlier when I walked underneath here with the oil container to come do something with the... I'll show you that in a second. But yeah, this is probably the problem. So yeah, this is... It's like, oh yes, wonderful little scratchity scratch here because the car is low. But yeah, Z-band goes all the way back. Take it all back off. This is here, but I'm fairly certain that you're all here to hear this thing make noise and not really look at the exhaust itself. It'll give me a second. We're gonna drop this down, and you'll hear me start it up. Listen to me, man. I tell you it's hot out here. It's exactly what it is. Hot. Car is 190 degrees. Air temp is 99. And I actually have gas. Officers are waving, but all is well. We're not really causing them no problems. Woo. I was outside doing something, hence the reason why it's so hot. But outside of that, this car is very low. Kind of getting a first-hand view of basically all the weird noises that I hear in here. And essentially I could have put the GoPro outside so you hear the exhaust notes, but this is what it's like being inside the car and hearing all the noise in here. And you should also be a little bit wary that it's not that insulated in here to prevent noise, so it's gonna be a little bit noisy. Hey, what's going on, fellas? If you made it this far, the only oddball thing within all of this that didn't get mentioned within the filming of this episode, or this short summary of what went on within getting the exhaust put on. So, the exhaust shop scheduled my appointment for Thursday, had me drop it off Wednesday night. Thursday evening came, they didn't give me my stuff, talking about, I think it was Friday. It's like, oh yeah, we can't do it, so we'll do it on Monday. So Monday when we did finally get my
exhaust system done, because Georgia customer service. On my way back, because I'm not paying attention, and there is a fuel gauge, I ran out of fuel. Conveniently enough, I met this cool guy named Kyle. He went and got some fuel, came back, gave me some gas, and I was beginning to get myself home. And you know what? Thank you to Kyle, man. And thank you to people who actually believe in the car community. That's all, fellas. Thank you. Until next time. Thanks.